Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining us today. It's really nice to see so many of you connected and joining us for the webinar. As you guys know, the session is being recorded and you will receive it as soon as it is available. And yeah, it's a pleasure to be here. As you may or may not know, I am Bryony. I am the lead enterprise product manager at Cloud Academy. And today I'm just going to take you through 2 new enterprise features that we have recently released and just explain to you how they work, how you can take advantage of them, and what the value is that we are going to hopefully bring to your organization with these features. So first feature is our certification dashboard. So the real goal here is to allow you to track your organization's certifications with ease. So, you know, if you have a certification program or a certification of many teams or individuals is one of your goals with Cloud Academy, then we've tried very hard to make that a lot easier to track with our new certification uploader and the enterprise dashboard. So your members now actually have the ability, if you didn't already know, to upload their certifications that they've earned from vendors such as AWS and Azure and GCP directly to Cloud Academy. So this allows you to then gain useful insights as to how many people are certified across your organization, and you can really drill down and get insights in that data. You can even export that data to understand who's got certifications, upcoming certification expiries. So maybe you'd like to prompt those users to renew their certifications, and you can easily find people or teams with specific certifications if you're looking for a talent for a specific project or a new initiative. I'm going to show you it now, but we're also going to be soon adding even more to this dashboard. So we would like to bring you further insights as to who is ready to sit their certification and also how many people are currently training towards the certification. So all of that is going to be coming soon. So let's jump in and have a look at it. First of all, I just want to make sure we're all aware how your users can upload a certification. So you can jump into the user dashboard as an end user, and we have this upload your certification here, and you just fill in the details. Very simple, and you can even add custom certifications as other. So pop in all the information and add that, and then that pumps it straight into the database where we can then jump into the administrator or team manager view of the certification dashboard. So in the intelligence section of the management dashboard, we have the certifications tab here, and here you can find all your data. So we have key information like active certifications, the number of certifications that were added last month, the certifications that have already expired, and certifications that will be expiring in the next 6 months. You can then see which certifications are most popular in your organization and see a chart of how many were uploaded each week, certifications by provider, your top 10 certified users, and this chart here will help you to see when you can anticipate certifications are going to be expiring. And then finally, we have the full all data table, and that basically shows you everything that you have above, but just in a raw data format. You can also filter the dashboard. So if you're only interested in certain providers, you can select that and filter the entire dashboard on that information. And you can also drill down on data. So for example, if you're interested to know which specific AWS certifications you have here, we can drill down here on certification name, for example. And here we can see the number of certifications from the AWS provider that are encapsulated in this chart. You can then further drill down. So if you were then interested to know exactly who those people were, you could select something like email or the user's name, or even expiration date, creation date, etc. if you want that kind of level of information. And this chart will just refresh and update as you go to provide you the information that you need. And finally, you can download pretty much everything in the chart if you so desire. So you can download these as images if you want to add them, for example, to a presentation. You can download the entire pinboard, or you can download the raw data as a CSV or an Excel file. This all data, if you're only interested in that, is also available as a report in the report section. So that's pretty much it for the certification dashboard. As I said, we have new charts and new information coming to that soon, and we're always open to feedback. So if you do give it a try, please get in touch with us if you have questions or you would like to give us feedback about data you'd like to see here. So jumping back to our other new feature, we have job roles. So job roles are really intended to allow you to know that you can confidently upskill your teams with training plans that are curated by our experts at Cloud Academy. So our job role training plans will allow you to deploy training for specific career paths, and they are curated by our content team who are experts in those subject areas, which means that you can really guarantee that your people are going to predictably upskill into maybe their new position or their promotion that you are looking to give them as part of their career advancement. Job roles are domain specific and also experience specific. So you have full flexibility to train people to both the appropriate skill level and that specificity of the area in which they want to be trained. And at the moment, we currently have 5 job roles with lots more being prepared as we speak. Job role functionality is also interesting because we will soon extend it with the ability to actually tag your users in your company with their job role and then perform things like bulk actions based on the job role, and then also run reports across job roles. So you'll be able to kind of go beyond just training and content and actually have a cohesive view of job roles across your organization. So we can take another look at what we've got so far. We'll jump in here. So you can see that in the training section, we have this new job roles tab. And this is where you're going to find all of your role-based training in Cloud Academy. So as you can see, we currently have these 5 job roles. So cloud architect, data engineer, DevOps engineer, machine learning engineer, and software engineer. And as I said, all of these break down into domain-specific training plans and also levels. So you have starter, fundamentals, intermediate, proficient, and you can then assign exactly the right training plan to any individual. You can also see a preview of exactly what's inside all of your training plans in job roles. And once you've decided that this is the correct job role, you can then assign that to either a team or an individual user. And just like normal training plans, you can select the amount of time that you want them to do in it each week. You can set training objectives, a due date, and then you can just confirm and assign that job role training plan to your team or user. And then if you want to check on their progress, just like normal training plans, you can jump in and have a look at the details as you go, and you'll be able to see your team's progress there. And that's pretty much it. So with job roles, as I said, we will be introducing some further functionality in the near future. So again, we're very open to your feedback. So please do get in touch if you have questions or if you have feedback for us on how you'd like to see job roles evolve. Otherwise, it was lovely to have you all join. Thank you very much, and please feel free to fill out our end of webinar survey, which will allow us to make sure that we make our webinars useful for you in the future, and hopefully see you next time. Thanks.